Hello, and welcome to Knowledge Academy Cursive, Part 2. Today we're going to learn some lowercase letters. If you haven't watched my first video on uppercase letters, please watch that before you start watching this. So, let's get started. So let me start writing down the first group of letters. So we have the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So now I want you to copy each letter at least 5 times or until you know you're ready with them. So A 5 times, B 5 times, and so on. So here's some help on how to write each of the letters. So first, the A. So start in the middle, go down, make a circle, go down and out. Then for the B, start at the bottom, up, then down, and then to the middle and out. Then for the C, just make a little line and then turn around. And then for the D, start in the middle, make a little circle, go up, down, and out. Then for the E, start in the middle, go make a loop, go down and out. Then for the F, start in the middle, go up, make a loop, go down, then make a loop back up, and then go out. And finally the G, go make a little circle, go down, make a loop, and out. And remember to write each letter 5 times and pause if you need to. After you're done with that, let's write the next group of letters. So first we have the letter H, then the letter I, then the letter J, then K, then L, then M, then N, then O, and then finally P. After you're done with that, I want you to copy each of these letters at least 5 times or until you know you're good with them. So here's a little help on how to write each of these letters. For the H, start down, make a loop, go back down, up and out. For the I, start down, go up, down, out, and make a dot. J, start at the bottom, go down, out, and a dot. And remember, for the I and the J, make the dot after you finish a word. Like if you're writing a sentence, make a dot after you finish the word. Then, let's go with K. Start at the bottom, go make a loop, go back up, make a loop again, and then out. Then, for the L, start at the bottom, just like the I, make a bigger loop though, and then go back down and out. Then for the M, start in the middle, down, up again, down again, and out. Then for the N, start in the middle, go down, up, down, and out. Then for the O, make a circle, make a little loop, and that's it. Then for the P, start in the middle, go down, go back up, make a little loop, and then go out. Okay, and there's a help if you need it. Remember, you have to write these letters at least 5 times, or any more than that until you know you're ready. So after that, we have the next group of letters. So here are the next group of letters. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and finally Z. And just like before, try to copy each letter at least 5 times. So here's a little help with these letters if you need it. First the Q. Start in the middle, make a loop, then go down, come back to the middle, and go out. Then for the R, start towards the bottom, and then go up, make a little slope down, and then go down, and then go out. For the S, start at the bottom, then go up, then go back down, and then make it look like a water droplet, and then go out. For the T, like the I, start down, go up, and then down again. Make a little line through it. And just like the I and the J, do it after you finish a word, like if you're writing a sentence. Then for the U, start at the bottom, up again, down, and out. Then for the V, start in the middle, go down, go back up, and out. For the W, start in the middle, go back down, up, down, and out. Then for the X, just make a little slope and then put a line through it. Like the T, I, and the J, do it after you finish a word. Then for the letter Y, start in the middle, down, up again, all the way down, make a little loop, and out. And finally for the Z, start at the middle, go down again, and then make it look like a 3, and then connect it, make a loop, and make it go out. So there's a little help with the letters if you need it, and remember to write each letter at least 5 times. So here's the whole lowercase cursive alphabet. And before you get to this step, I want you to memorize each letter and then start this, okay? So I want you to connect each of these letters. So like the A and the B, connect it like that. You could also connect the U and the V. So there you go. And just pick random letters like that to connect. Another example is the Y and the Z, which you can also connect. And finally the Q and the R. So just find random letters like that to connect. Keep trying it at least 5 to 10 times. And before we go ahead, I just wanted to do something. In the last video, I said we would connect the uppercase cursive letters with the lowercase cursive letters. So let's just practice that a bit now. So random uppercase letter, let's say B, and we can connect it to a random lowercase letter, let's say E. So connect it. And that's the word be. So connect random uppercase and lowercase cursive letters and make them into words. So learn how to connect those. Another random cursive letter is L. So let's write a capital L in cursive, then a lowercase I, a lowercase O, and a lowercase n. And just like I said, put the dot after you finish the whole word. So this makes the word lion. So just keep practicing how to connect these letters. Just pick random ones or you can make words. So then I'm going to see some random letters and you just write them in cursive. And remember to pause if you need to. So first, the letter B. Then the letter X. Then the letter Q. Then the letter J. Then the letter D. Then the letter K. And finally the letter Z. So after we finish that, I'm going to write some random words in normal writing and then you're going to write them in cursive. And try not to look at the letters, but if you really need to look, but by the end you should know how to write them without looking. So first, the word lion, as we wrote before. Always remember to pause if you need to. Write the word computer. Then write marker. Write the word water. And then finally, here's a hard one, write the word dictionary. So that's it, you're done with the lowercase cursive letters. So I'm going to post a cursive review soon, testing your knowledge on these letters, and please be sure to watch that. And if you feel like you need more practice, keep watching and watching this video over again and keep writing those letters. And please like, share, and subscribe to help me keep making these videos. Thank you.